Welcome back to the channel. This is a midday update. Well, as far as the Nifty chart is concerned, I am quite bullish on it. I did square off most of my long positions as I was holding them in options trade. Whatever I executed, whatever trades I took, I have mentioned them, and my verified PNL is also posted, so you could check the description, and the link is really available. And today I have booked around a profit of about 86,000. I'd like to show you that as well. In equity, I bought Garden Reach Ships, a GRSC code name, and I believe that this stock has more potential. This has a lot of potential. It could go up a lot higher. I would like to discuss the charts of the stock as well. Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineers. So, so an impulsive wave, and this is a corrective wave. Even in this correction, we could really see that this was some kind of bottoming formation, and after that, we have broken out above this resistance zone of 2700 to 2800. And looking at the price action and looking at the volume that we are getting over here, it looks as if we are really going to head higher from here. And mic we are going to head higher from here. And what are the targets that I'm looking at? So this was an impulsive move, this was an entire correction. So let us take that, and let us just rule out the possibility of another correction, a proper channel formation. After that, it does again an impulsive move, then takes support over this channel, and then again starts to move higher. Pretty much a very nice setup. And the targets would be the equal to the length of this move, because this is an impulsive move and this being a correction. I'll also teach you how to label a complex correction as well. First, let me go with the target. The target comes in around 4300. And how do I label this? So there are lots of ways of labeling this, but the easiest way that I could find out is just label this as a WXY, maybe this as X and this as Z. So this is a possible way of labeling it. And yeah, so if this is complete, then let's label this as a simple A wave, and then we'll label the B wave as the bottom, and it has the potential to go higher in wave C. Okay, where is my order book? I like to go ahead and buy even more quantities. 2830. Let us go with so the stock trades at the counter for around 2830. I believe that 2800 is going to be a very strong support, and it has dipped a bit. I'm not very sure that if it is really going to go towards 2800 or not, but I won't really want to miss out the chance of it giving a move, because whenever it gives a move, it just gives 2-3% in just a 5 or 10 minute candle. Let us buy some shares. Okay, 2830. Let's buy it at 30. You could see it here, maybe. Okay, yes. And I'll need the market depth as well. Okay. So yeah, I have around 1500. Okay. Hello. Am I audible? Yes. Okay, give it to me, yaar. It's already 28, 30.80. Okay, I'll get it. Okay, just 10 cents. Okay, so I've got around 800 shares at 28.30. If it wants to fall even more from here, I'll buy another let's say 2000 3000 shares at 28.20. Okay, let me go ahead and add even more quantities. Let's say I go over here and I add maybe 2000 shares at an limit price of about 28.29. Let's go with 28.25. If it dips a bit, okay. If it doesn't want to, and if it just wants to go higher from here, then maybe we would have to chase it on the higher side. But it's giving us a chance. It has dipped a bit. I'll probably buy it. Let's put another order at 28.20 maybe. 3000 shares. Let's go. So total 3000, 2000, 5000, 5000, and I have another 5600. So total 10,000 shares. Okay. So I'll update you if my order gets hit and if I get those shares. So this is very close to hitting my buy order. If it gives me or not is a real question. Maybe it won't. Or maybe, oh, okay, did I get it? Okay, out of 3000 shares, I've got around. Okay, in total, I've got around 10,697 shares. And it is giving me a loss of about 1.5 lakhs because it's down maybe 15, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13 points. So yeah, it is giving me a loss, and I'd like to buy another round of shares, let's say at 28.10 maybe, because I believe that day low would really act as a support, and 2800 is a very strong zone wherein buying would come and take it higher. Okay, so I'll keep you updated on this. Now I would like to go ahead, and since it is falling, I'd like to average it even more, and I'd like to go ahead and buy. I'll buy it from here at around, maybe if I'd like to see if I get it at around 2810. So okay, if I get it, then even better. Where's the debt? Okay, 2810. Will I get it? Okay. Filled. I have got my order at filled at around 2810, and okay, and then I'll buy another maybe 1000, 2000, 3000 shares at closing, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Hello. So the market ended, and I did buy a few quantities again, and I'm holding both of the positions, Swiggy as well as GRSC. And GRSC is um, you look at it and then you see that this was a breakout move, and this was probably just a retest candle. And then after this retest candle, I expect it to go higher, and I'll continue to hold it till it goes let's say at least till 3300, the previous resistance. So if that is true, then 2800 to 3300 is roughly what, 500 points, and 500 points multiplied by our quantity. Our quantity is roughly 14,000, so 500 into 14,000 gives us a profit of roughly 70 lakhs. So this is the trade that I'm going to hold. And let us look at Swiggy as well. If I were to look at Swiggy, then I could see that there was a buying from lower levels, and this was post 2 p.m. buying. And I'd like to see if this continues, and do we really cross above 260 or 265. If we cross above 265, then there's a fair chance you break above this trend line as well. You do that, you break above 270, then you're ready for 300. Okay, this is my position. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.